All right, everybody, we're out here at a mold remediation project that we just completed. This whole basement was full of personal property, and working with the homeowner, we decided that most of it was going to be ready for disposal and not worth cleaning. But there is some contents that we're going to bring back to our facility and clean them, and then we'll bring them back here for final placement. But we were able to clean out this whole home, and all of these ceiling joists and the walls and the floors were covered with mold spores from a previous water damage that was not mitigated properly. So we came in, we got everything out, we cleaned the whole structure, and we've passed clearance testing, and so we're ready to get this home back in living order. Okay, so the initial source of this mold issue came from this egress window. Back before there was a drain installed into it, it actually overflowed and poured into here, and it wasn't dried up soon enough, so it did really, actually end up being a mold issue instead of just a water damage. That's why it's important, if you do have water damage, to hop on it sooner rather than later. And then just to go on some of the technical aspects of how we address mold issues, we always do some form of source removal. So that's physically removing the mold from the building material. In this case, it was HEPA vacuuming, so we went on each of these joists and actually physically removed the growth from there, and then did a 3-step treatment thereafter to make sure the home was clean. And then finally, we wiped down all the walls and the floors to make sure anything that settled onto the floors was cleaned up and out of here. And that's how you pass a mold remediation test. So the final step in this remediation process is going to be setting up this homeowner with our vendor for duct cleaning. So they're going to get the whole home cleaned and sanitized. We were able to shut down the system and seal off all the entry points of the ductwork, so the system wasn't contaminated by the remediation we're doing, but it's certainly going to help improve their air quality because they were living with this mold in the house for many years. So it's always kind of the icing on the cake for remediation, and we have vendor partners throughout Illinois and Wisconsin that we can refer our customers to, and we know that they do a top-notch job. The best time to take care of a mold issue is before it happens. So if you have a water loss like this home suffered, it's important to be quick and call us immediately so we can help take care of it before it becomes a bigger issue. But we're always available to help you with any type of remediation needs, whether it's a large project like this or something small. We can handle it all. Thank you.